Hi guys, welcome back to Lee's Tech Room, and today's video is all about my room, my tech room. So I'm going to do a tech room tour, which might actually end up being a game room tour because it's pretty much a game room now. I don't do an awful lot of teching in there anymore, but it is the room where I do all my videos. So basically I'm just going to show you around what I've been doing to it and the differences I've made to it. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so at the start I've got Darth Vader guarding the doorway, as he always does. There's a little table there, I use that for doing the laptop, and there's a big white table which folds up, which is ideal for doing any sort of reviews on it because it's nice and white. Looks better when you're doing anything really on it. It's pretty good for that. So there's my rifle in the middle of doing a video for night vision camera on it. That's actually a really good piece of kit, which you will see soon. So we go into the room, let's go straight over, creaky floorboards, and then get in. And so this is there's two shelving units, which are predominantly for tech. So I had to keep most of it for tech. There's a lot of games in here now, so I think we're probably just going to call it a gaming room or the games room. So this is all my tech stuff. Let's just go and have a look closer to it. There's a Devoom speaker, pixel art Devoom speaker. Brilliant little piece of kit that one is, and I love how it displays lots of different pixels. You can get bigger ones, you can't get smaller ones, but you can get bigger ones. I work down. I've got quite a lot of Star Wars stuff. You'll see as we go along. There's a wildlife camera, which is brilliant. That is. Obviously, it needs to be outside. I don't know why I've got it in here. There's a weather report kit screen thing, not very good. I don't know why I've kept it. So I got lots of headphones, and this one is a EXA one. The sides glow up when you plugged it in with the USB. It looks really nice. It actually sounds really good as well. And there's DJI Spark, which is a drone, as you can see, and that's nice, very nice. You have to have a license to fly it now as well, I think, which I should do. There's a Comica, that's my wireless earphones, which is what I'm using as we speak. Some earphones and another Devoom light. That's you can change all the light difference. You can make them all different colours and stuff, and do different things. Or you can just have it as one light if you want to. There's a little camera, which I don't use anymore. I think I have to have a, yep, there's a USB on the side there for it. It's nice actually, quite a good little camera. I think it's 1080. My newest piece of tech is the 3D printer. It's a low entry level 3D printer, but I like it. I think it's really good. Yet to do the video on that, but it will be coming soon. Another headset from EXA, I believe that one is, yeah. And we go down a little bit further, there's some other things, Raspberry Pi, MP3 player, projector, that's a selfie stick sort of thing. There's this is brilliant, this is a Mega Drive from At Games. It's got, I don't know, something like 40, 50 games on it. This is awesome, including Sonic and stuff. Nice little speaker, portable speaker from KS. Go to the other side, there's 360 wheel and pedals, and work up. I'm just going to scan up here now. The microphone, some more speakers, and this is probably one of the best things I've ever bought, and it was one of the first things I bought. It's a little tripod, you can extend the legs, and it's actually really, really good. Really helpful. Some more Devoom. That's just a display thing. I've got another one downstairs that shows the time. And we move on to the Lego. I won't bore you with the Lego too much. I'm not going to go into it, but there's a space station. It's a really good build, that one. And go on to more Star Wars stuff. That's the Inquisitor. That was a good build. I like that. I like to have all the minifigures on display in front. Speed Champions, and a few more cars in front on that one there. The Enzo over there, and there's my mock build of Hoth Battle, which I really like. It took me ages to build this. It's got everything in there, apart from there's the speeder, which brings down one of the ATATs. I don't have one of those. It's hard to find them now. Oh, and it hasn't got the, what's that? Was it bumper or the woolly mammoth thingy? Hasn't got one of those. And then this one I built myself as a rebel base. Very cool. And some more Lego, and then some more Lego. Okay, so let's get on to the other side. We've got the new arm sofa, which is a bed now as well, which is very, very helpful for when people come and stay. Oh gosh, that looks flashy, doesn't it? It's the old CRT TV, which you need if you want to have, if you want to use a light gun, which on the Dreamcast, as you can see, the second one down there, we've got guns on that one, so you need to use it on the CRT TV display in Sega Rally at the moment. That's an awesome game, absolutely amazing game. I love it. So we go over to these games. We've got quite a lot of games here. I can just go over these ones. These are all my special ones, as you can see, and there's some special ones over there as well. If you want to, in another video, I can go through all these special ones if you like and show you what's actually inside them. But for now, I can just show you what I've got. There's a load of Xbox original games, and then there's Xbox 360, and another load of Xbox 360, and PS2. And then some more PS2 with some PS4 and Xbox One. Not a great deal of those ones, but you can download quite a lot of them now. PS3, those are PS3, and then some Wii's. Some Wii games. We don't play an awful lot of Wii games. We've got loads of them, but we don't play them. But we do have a controller now, so we can play it if we want to. Right, so let's have a look at the, gosh, I hope that's not as flashy as it looks while on the recording. So okay, got the CRT TV with Mega Drive 1, it's the original one, it's the HD one, so it's got the HD sound, and then Sega Dreamcast, it's got a little bit of a mark on there, I've noticed that before, to give that a clean. Then there's the PlayStation 1. Yep. And on the bottom is the N64 with Zelda in it. I have to get around to playing that game again. Very, very cool game. Okay, and over on this side we've got some more games. Some Mega Drive games. Got a nice lot of Mega Drive games. And got some N64 games. They've all got plastic covers on them, as you can see it's shining, because they're cardboard. You've got to keep them in good condition. This one here, this one's knackered, but it actually looks quite good in the box. There's Zelda over there. That's in brilliant condition, that one, considering its age. Got some 1980s Lego, and then some more here as well. It looks quite old. Some Dreamcast games. And some PlayStation 1 games. I've actually got some Spectrum games, but I don't have a Spectrum yet, but I will do. One day I'll get one. Some 3DS games, and a Game Boy game, and some DS games, some more Lego, some Blu-rays. They're all 3D Blu-rays, because I did have a 3D TV in here, but I changed it. And some Star Wars stuff. And, oh, my mate Luke's Tamiya buggy, very cool. Okay, so let's go and have a look at the TV. So there's all the box games, box consoles with the surround sound system on top over there. which sounds amazing, especially like when you're playing Battlefield or something like that. It sounds awesome. Just changed the display on my console boxes. Previous setup wasn't really showing off the boxes very well, but now I really like how I've done this one. This is my newest purchase. It's the Xbox One 1TB version, which is the Advanced Warfare version, and is really nice. When you press the power button, it makes a funny sound, and when you press the eject, it makes a different sound. Just waiting for the console, the controller to arrive, because I haven't got that yet, and then it's going to be a complete kit. And then using it all, we've got a Samsung 4K. I think it's a 43-inch, and the consoles. There's a crystal version of the Xbox original, Xbox 360 with faceplate on it, which is Rainbow Vegas, Xbox One X, Xbox Series S, and two handhelds, the DS and the 3DS XL. The PlayStation 1 Silver Fat Edition, PS3 Super Slim, which I don't like anymore. I think it's ugly. I think I might have to change it for the Slim version, which was the one that came out before that. It looks loads better, but that's a 500 gig. This one here, so I'm going to miss that, I think. PS4, which is also 500 gig, but it's got an external hard drive on it, Switch, and a Wii with a Wii board, and some manuals. On the left hand side, got lots and lots of controllers, lots of spare controllers. There's that's a Wii, that's a Switch controller. That one is 2, and then that's a special one for Modern Warfare 3, Xbox 360, and a Switch Pro controller. And over here we've got some more tech stuff. So we got 4 fake Pros. They're actually really good, considering they're a lot cheaper than the GoPros. This one, for example, is the Expo Trek. It's got a little screen on the front there. It's a good camera, actually. They all go up to 4K. 2 more headsets. These are One Audio headsets. Really good, actually. That one's wireless. That one's wired. The Quest 2, which is the 64 gig, I think, version. It's one of the first ones that came out. So it's called the Quest 2, not the Meta 2. This is the PlayStation VR first one, and the Thrustmaster. I forget what it's called. It's called a Hocus or something like that. I can't remember. It's a joystick for flight simulators, and it's brilliant on the VR. Absolutely amazing. And finally, there's another box of controllers and whatnot. That's another video, I think, if you're interested in seeing all the extras I got in there. And I've actually got some more extras in there. But again, another story. If you want me to go into that lot, then I can do for a different video. Let me know in the comments down below. And over this side, we've got the charging bay. So there's a 360 charging, and there's the Xbox One controller charging, and PS3 and PS4, and another box of stuff. lots of stuff in there. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So this is well, it's a game room now. Let's be honest, it's a game room, even though it still says tech room up there. But like I said, I do all my videos in here. So I put the table there, and I sit in front of it. So I got the backdrop, which is all the tech stuff, and then when I want to do some gaming videos, then I can do some gaming videos in here. Oh, I missed that out over there. That's Guitar Hero. It's got 2 guitars in there. That's for the Xbox One. Anything else I missed out? Well, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see anything else. Then I'll see what I can do. Okay, so that's pretty much it from me. I've been Lee's Tech Room, or Lee's Game Room. No, Lee's Tech Room. All right, see you later. Bye.